Hey folks, we're live at 1:14 p.m. and we're running the second of Spencer's figure lot battle. I got 40 spots here. It looks like the top 4 win spots in the main. I got my list here, which I am going to paste in random to find our winners. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got an Ocho, which means we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Steve, round 1 and round 2. Jimmy, round 3. Steve again on top in round 4. Phil, round 5. Steve, round 6. A lot of Steve in here. Todd takes round 7, and our winners are Phil Clark, Steve, and Hans round out the top 4. Congratulations, guys. Phil coming on strong there at the end. FNF QFI. Phil Clark. Steve and Hans round out the top 4. Which means I'm done at 1:15. Dough. Done. Again, here's the official results and the winners. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.